Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. This is a Porsche update about the 986. Well, we had the 17-inch rims, but tires were hard to come by. We bought the 18-inch rims from the 718 Cayman. Unfortunately, they don't fit the car because the front, the back old rims were the same size as the new front rim, if that makes sense, right? It's way too wide. But you know what? We got lucky because Michelin still makes tires this size, odd size. And here's an update. Here's Mike at his place. So if you want to go have a look at the car is now in Sungai Long in DNA Tuning. Go check out Mike's place. We are doing tuning for a lot of cars, and we also do upgrades like for my Boxster. If you've got a car in mind, come pay us a visit. We can tell you what you can do. Obviously, suspension, EC tuning is what we do best. But yeah, let me stop talking and let Mike talk and let you know what is the update all about on the Porsche 986. I'm so happy!
Tana, here is your car getting new rubbers. Tana. Alright, man. You got your new Michelin tires. 255 40 ZR17s. Okay, and brand new tires. And manufactured year 2021. Alright, and here are your front tires, mate. There you go. Being installed. Your new tires 205 50 ZR17. Nice. Gonna get on your old tires, which are the Toyo tires, getting proper tires.